long drive, I reached at Vellore. I'm very hungry, so I wanted to have something. So just now I find out in Google there is in Vellore city. The restaurant name is Vellore Kitchen, the Vellore Kitchen. So I am in right now in the Vellore Kitchen. I would like to taste something in South India. When I come here, they are telling me there is this, right now no South Indian food, only that non-veg, North Indian and Indian dishes like that is available. So let's see. I have ordered something that in a non-veg item. I will try it, how the taste in South India, that in chicken, and what type of gravy they are using, what type of masala they are using in their kitchen. Let me check. दोस्तों मैंने यहाँ पे आके ऑर्डर किया था 2-3 नॉन वेज आइटम, उसमें से एक आया है स्पेशल परोटा, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, और साथ तो मैंने ऑर्डर किया था पेपर चिकन, वो भी दिखाता हूँ आपको दोस्तों। टेस्ट तो ठीक ठाक है, थोड़ा स्पाइसी है। दोस्तों जो परोटा जो है सुपर है, क्रिस्पी है, सॉफ्ट है, नाइस, आई लाइक इट। फ्रेंड्स, आई ऑर्डर्ड वन मोर थिंग्स इन दिस होटल, दैट्स इज बिरयानी, चिकन बिरयानी। Actually, normally biryani is famous in Hyderabad and Bengal. So let's try that South Indian chicken biryani. How is the taste? Guys, if you can see this portion is given at hotel. This is the quantity of that biryani. You can see. Guys, जो फूड का बारे में मैं आपको बताऊं तो फूड जो क्वालिटी था, फूड क्वालिटी जो मुझे परोटा सर्व किया गया था, वो परोटा हुआ सुपर। फूड क्वालिटी क्रिस्पी सॉफ्ट परोटा था। पेपर चिकन भी गुड, बट बिरयानी इट्स नॉट गुड। I had taste with that biryani, that Calcutta biryani, Hyderabad biryani, Goan biryani, Bangalore, Nia's famous biryani also I had taste. But the biryani is here in South India, not that up to the mark. So I suggest if you come to South India, and in Vellore city, then you can try that South Indian food. But unfortunately, I can't find today in any South Indian food. Hopefully by evening dinner time I will try South Indian food. That's it, dear. Thank you, friends. Friends, one more thing I wanted to share, that the price cost of the food, it's not low and not high, in between that. If you think about that, if you compare with that the other cities food pricing, so you will get that at per level. So don't worry about the pricing. But if you ask for that review, then I will tell you that review. If the top mark is 5 star, so I will give you 3.5 as per that the food quality concern. And if you consider that the ambience and location, the location is the next to the highway, that's good, and that ambience also good. That's it, dear. Thank you.